First, for our machine, before loading the film, we must confirm. The size of the film must be the same as the bag former below. For example, this bag former is 160 millimeters. And the size of our film is also 160 millimeters. Then we thread it on like this, slip it in. There are two sides to consider when threading. Right now, our film's hot sealing side is facing inward. It's threaded like this. Look, hot sealing side inward, threaded like this. If the hot sealing side is facing outward, we change the direction and flip it over like this. Currently, our film's hot sealing side is inward. After threading, we secure the bracket. It must be in the middle of the machine, a centered position. The distance on both sides must be equal to keep the film centered. Once it's confirmed to be centered, we tighten the screws. After tightening it, we use scissors to cut a triangular notch, to make it easier to thread the film. After cutting, we put the film through here. These two film feeding rollers. Then we lift this lever. Once you lift it, it will automatically feed the film. Now after threading the film, we need to bypass this rod. Pass through this one, then this one, and pull it up like this. Bypass this rod, go under this one, and then bring it up here. Pull it down and it goes to the bag former. Just thread it into the bag former like this. The reason I mentioned cutting a triangle earlier is that it makes it much easier to thread it through here. After pulling it down, we lift this lever. Normally, this position is closed and this position lifts the film pulling wheels. Then we place the film between the film pulling wheels. Once you make sure it's clamped inside, push this lever down. Manually press pull bag and seal. After clamping it, seal it once. Then manually press pull bag and seal again. Keep pressing it until the bag is fully formed and comes out. We've sealed two bags. Once it forms, check if the bag is sealed tightly. This is the back seal, or vertical seal. This is the horizontal seal. Once you ensure the seals are strong, we can start running the machine.